What's up guys, Better6 here and welcome to this new video. Good morning by the way. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to work, of course. Where else would I go? I'm gonna take a little detour. It's gonna be a little bit longer but less miles, so yeah, we'll see. Maybe we still can make it short. We saved at least 10 minutes there, so that's pretty nice. It's pretty cold now at the moment. It's 3 degrees Celsius, so yeah, it's pretty chilly. And then after I'm done working, it should be 6 degrees Celsius, so at least the double of this. So probably I would feel the difference, or hopefully I'll feel the difference. And then I'm curious, after work I need to go to the doctor to have a blood test. So he's gonna put a needle in me and then testing my blood. So yeah, it's a Monday, it's a busy Monday, that's for sure. Yeah, traffic jam, we'll see about that, bro. We will see about that. Traffic jam? What traffic jam? I think my GoPro is not fully loaded. I didn't check how much, but yeah, it's probably only half battery or something, so that's, yeah, it's fucked. So I cleaned the outside of my visor and I thought that will be a lot better. Well, clearly the inside of my visor is the dirtiest one. So I still can't see shit when my visor is down. Damn it, bro. Damn it. So, what are we going to do today at work? I think maybe 3 things. I'm taking 3 things. One thing is we need to get on the roof and we need to burn some roofing. So there's a little hole on the roof, and yeah, water goes through it all the way inside into the house. So yeah, it's not good. Little shortcut. Nah, so yeah, get on the roof and a little piece of roofing we need to burn. I think it's so little. The roofing is probably going to be 50 centimeters on 50 centimeters. So yeah, that's not a difficult job. Then the second thing we need to do is paint. We need to paint again. So there's a little bit of paint already, but we didn't finish it because, yeah, I don't know, painting is just another thing. It's pretty stressful. It's, yeah, I don't know, we don't like it, we hate it, but yeah, still, it delivers money, so yeah, we'll need to do it today. And we'll probably go to the dump yard. So we have a lot of garbage that we took off the house. Yeah, of course we can't stack it up outside, so we need to go to the dump yard or garbage yard or however you want to call it, and then yeah, put it right there. And I think that's day done. Then you need to go to the doctor and then go back home. So look at this on my waist, a little bit of police action there. I don't know what it is, man. I really don't like police. I just start to realize when I was a small kid, I always wanted to be a police officer. So, you know, the love for police was only the biggest when I was the smallest. You know, I respect them. It's not that, you know, it's not that I'm, oh, police, and I'm gonna spit on him and try to punch or kick him. Not like that, but I respect them. If they pull me over, and they'll be respectfully, I'll be respectfully back. But, you know, ooh, Ferrari. It's a clean one. I see them as, they're all the same in my eyes, man. They just wanna fuck you right in the ass and get all of your money. But yeah, you know, that's my vision on it. It comes with experiences that I had. But, you know, so much years ago, I wasn't the sweetest kid, so how police treated me then is way different than how police are treating me now. And how they are treating me now, yeah, that's just, I don't know, man. I don't like them, not even a little bit. But yeah, it's my vision. But oh yeah, when you're in trouble, you're probably gonna call them. Yeah, yeah, we'll see about that one. Until that moment, until that moment, I don't want nothing to do with them. I never call the police, man. I handle my own shit. And still, I'm not a drug gangster. Not gang related, so you know what's going to happen to me, man. Come on, let's be honest. What's going to happen to me? I have way more respect for ambulances, doctors, and firemen than for police. I've never been through here, man. This is a first experience for me. This is a first experience for me. Never been here. Looks nice. Alright, that's one crazy ass camera. That thing looks if I'm gonna be blinded when it goes off. Stupid ass. It looks like a big ass fucking flashback, bro. I already saved like 7 minutes, I think. Still have an hour and 8 minutes to go, so I think normally I should arrive there at 9 o'clock. And now it says 15 after 9. Yeah, we'll see about that one. There, now it already says 9:14. An hour and 7 minutes to go, man. 40 minutes, I can do that. 40 minutes of the time, I can do that. This ain't just Belgium streets. These streets, man, I'm telling you, it's the next aisle of the TT, man. And I need to fill my bike up. No, I was going so good, bro. Oh man, I was going so good. is there somewhere a gas station. Let's hope so. We have to be quick as possible, because it's gonna cost a lot of time. I think 3 minutes or some. Man, I really need to use my front brake more. I used to do it a lot, but since my right wrist operation, I'm not using my front brake enough, man. That's stupid. Even I'm more braking on my engine than even on my back brake. I don't know if that's good, but yeah. KFC Renst. KFC, bro. Where? I mean, I see a lot of birds on the field. Is that where they keep their stock fresh? Man, I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. I'm not gonna find a gas station here, I think. How hard can it be, man? It's just a gas station, man. Man, it smells here like cows, like pigs, like sheep. Damn, man, is this Belgium even, bro? Oh, fuck. There's still not a single fucking gas station. How even, man? Come on, man. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, okay. So we lost 2 minutes. That's not too bad. We still have 52 minutes to go for 40 minutes off, so let's do this shit, bro. And another speed camera, of course, man. People pay our taxes, and what are we going to do with all the taxes? I know. We're gonna make an infinite money glitch. Spend all the taxes on fucking stupid cameras at every intersection, every highway. Because yeah, why not? And then fuck people right in the ass and give them a picture of them driving a little bit too hard. And another speed camera, you know, I'm not lying, bro. This is just pure Belgium, man. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. That's a good ass sound, bro. The most sexy sound that there is on the whole planet, bro. This motherfucker, bro. Yeah, 50 my ass. It's way too good of a road to be 50, man. And a good road, we don't have a lot in Belgium. Absolutely not, we only have a few. And they're gonna say this one is 50. Fuck that, bro. My opinion is different. Shouldn't be a road to drive 50. I mean, some people are letting me pass. Some bastards won't. Yeah, man. 37 minutes to go. 11 minutes too late. And how traffic is going now, it doesn't look good. I can only hope for one thing, and that's that my GPS counts traffic jam somewhere. Little voice crack. Oh man, there's a lot of police. There is a lot of police, bro. I need to be careful here. Slow it down a little bit. You know, that's probably a police checkpoint. Yeah, the chances that there are a lot of undercover cars around this area is now pretty high, so I'm not gonna look for any trouble. Keep it cool. Man, this truck is losing a lot of dirt, man. It's not nice. Fuck, man, this is going slow. What are we now? Like 9 February, 10 February? It's about 10 days to go for my final riding exam on the bike, so... Oh man, I'm nervous, but you know, normally I would pass it, you know? There isn't anything I can't do on a bike. I mean, by the rules, you know? By the law. I can do everything, so... I don't know. Hopefully we'll pass. Alright, I'm not gonna do this. Hell no. Hell to the no.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no!
If I'm thinking correctly, I didn't see no biker at all today. Where y'all at, man? Grow some fucking cojones, man. Ooh, that's a nice showroom. Howdy. Yeah, pretty nice. And another speed camera. Yeah. I only drove for maybe 40 minutes now, and this is maybe what? Camera 65? Crazy, bro, crazy. If there's any fucking country where there aren't speed cameras, I'll probably move to that country, I swear. Oh man. We are ready to work. We are ready to work. I'm going twerk. Oh goddamn, my shoelace is stuck. Breath. Oh no, man. Oh yeah, it's free. Alright, stupid ass shoelace. Never twerking on this bike again. If you enjoyed watching this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, leave a little comment in the comment section, and please subscribe on my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.